how to make a sound on TikTok. Now, if you want to make your own sound or use your own sound for future TikTok videos or even the current one, now sounds are automatically created, by the way. So if you're not using any music and then you're just uploading a point blank video that you shooted, then the sound in that particular video, you can use that sound for future purposes and other videos as well. So you can tap the plus button from the bottom and maybe you go ahead and select a video, and maybe you record a video with a certain sound. Once you've posted that particular video, now what we can do is in the future we can use that sound. For that, you want to tap the profile icon from the bottom right, then you can simply go to that video where you have your own sound. If you look at the bottom right, you can see the sound icon or your profile icon rotating like this, like a music. So when you tap on it, this is a sound which you have originally created. Then what you can do is you can choose to use that particular sound again for other videos. And this is how you can make a sound on TikTok and even allow others to use your sound. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.